Bala used 44 text to pin his drawings side by side onto a board as shown. How many drawings did he pin altogether? Now, this question is very similar to a number patterns question whereby every time you add the text, you are also adding the drawings. So let's see what exactly is happening to the text and the drawings as well. Alright, so let's say you have 1, 2, 3, 4 texts. Okay, 4 texts is required for one drawing. Okay, now bear in mind, actually it's just 2 texts, but because you are joining with the other one, okay, you have to add this 2 and again add another 2. So you are constantly adding 2 texts. Alright, that's the pattern that's happening. Now, let's say you want to put a second drawing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 texts is required. Okay, so this is the second one. And if you want to put 3 drawings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and even the last one also has another 2 here. Okay, so this goes on and on and on and on until the end. Now, I want you to realize that at the end, there has to be 44 texts here. And you want to know how many drawings are there. Okay, that is the question. Alright, so what's happening here is a constant difference pattern or equal gap. As you can see, this is a +2, +2, so we expect it to be +2 everywhere. Okay, so one of the techniques for this type of question is to remember a formula. This is a formula method, whereby if you see equal interval, it works for equal intervals, like +2, +2, +2, or +3, +3, and so on and so forth. Okay, then you can use this method. The number of drawings is linked to the text. How is it linked to the text? The text used will always be equals to. Now, what you need to do when you see a equal interval, you have to go backwards one time and ask yourself what is the number of texts here. If you happen to go backwards, you have to minus 2, right? So you put that number here first. Let me put it in red. So go backwards. 4 minus 2 is a 2. So you start with that number, you put 2 here. Plus, what is the difference that you always see? That's a 2. Okay, plus 2 times the figure number or the drawings. Alright, so this is a formula method that you can use. So let's check. Let's say, for example, you have 8 texts. Okay, so over here you have 8. Is 8 really equals to 2 plus 2 times, what's the drawing here? Is 3, right? Yes, it is, right? So it's 2 plus 6. Okay, so this is one way to tackle this question now. An alternative way is to observe, right? From the observation, we know that 4, you can get 4 by taking 1 times 2 plus 2, correct? Next one, you can get 6 by taking 2 times 2 plus 2, right? 4 plus 2 is 6. You can get 8 by taking 3 times 2 plus 2. So, as you can see, right, the drawings, if you take the drawings, you times 2 to it, and you plus 2, you will get the text. Alright, so how do we get the number of drawings for 44 texts? What times 2 plus 2? Because this is the number of drawings, right? So remember, the formula says that it's drawings times 2 plus 2. This will give you the number of texts. So how do we get 44? We need to backtrack. We need to backtrack by 2 first. Okay, so to get the number of drawings, we take 44 minus away the 2 first, you get 42. And then you take 42, divide by 2. 42 divided by 2, you're going to get 21 drawings. So let's check. 21 times 2 is 42 plus 2. Do we get the number of texts? Yes, we do. Okay, so the final answer for this question is 21 drawings that he can pin all together with 44 texts.